Oh, I didn't see you there. It's nap time. I just had lunch, so let's clean the house. Let's see how much we can get done before nap time ends. This was a Christmas blanket, but we love it so much, so we're just gonna leave it out all year. Let there be light. Oh, that is bright. I'm acting like I haven't already been out in all of the town today. Man, it's really bright. Wow. There's nobody here. Dexter. Dexter, your sister's napping. This is a result of breakfast, okay? Because we were having bananas and pancakes, but then I realized that we didn't want that, so I gave in and we had what we wanted, which was applesauce. She's just like me. She loves applesauce. I'm leaving the slow cooker out because y'all know we're having another slow cooker dinner tonight. I put somebody's leash away and now he thinks that we're going on a WALK. And we're not, because there is 7 inches of snow outside. How cool would it be if dishwashers not only washed your dishes, but also put them away? Like, Elon Musk, can we talk? Call me. You know, I used to bring over my utensils like by the handfuls and put them away, and then my husband was like, why don't you just take the basket out, you know? Like, that makes so much more sense. So this is how I do it now. Y'all are always asking where I get my wearable blankets from. I have 3 of these. I wear them all day, every day. I will link it right here in the TikTok shop for you guys. I started a new Netflix show, and it's one of those shows where, like, I'm only 20 minutes in, and I am so confused, and I have no idea what is going on, but I have a feeling that it's gonna be really good. Like, I have a feeling there's gonna be, like, a big twist, you know, like, big plot twist. I think it's called Fool Me Once, Fool Me Twice. I don't know, it's a new short series on Netflix. So, I started that last night, and like I said, I'm only 20 minutes in, and I can't stop thinking about it. I'm very confused. But I love that kind of stuff. I'm trying to use less paper towels, so that's why I have a towel here to dry my hands with. Back to the dishwasher idea. If the dishwasher could clean, put away, but also load itself, I mean, Elon, somebody call me, because I have a good idea. Forget the cars, Elon. It's time to move on to dishwashers. I have a husband, a toddler, and a dog. My vacuum is out at least 5 times a day. I'll link this for you guys too. This is also from TikTok. I heard a loud noise, and then I opened up the fridge and saw this. Going to assume it's that jar of olives. I will also link my scrub brusher. I linked it once before and y'all loved it, so I'll add it to my links of this video. Oh, you look comfortable. I will link everything down below that I mentioned in the TikTok shop. Right there, the orange shopping bag. Hey! Hey!